Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this display of crafts and drawings that you kids have done here. I got sent out these for review, and let me tell you that I am pretty amazed by this creation because it is all that moms we need for the drawings. It comes with some of the tools that you will need to put it on the wall, hang it on the wall, but you can also put it on the side table. So the way it works is that once that you have a lot of drawings from your kids, you can store them here and display one at a time in this glass. It will be kind of as a portrait works, but you will put your kids' drawing. So let's just remove this plastic, and here is my daughter drawing, and you can put some of these pictures, just adjust the size of them and put them on this display. And I am sure that your kids will be super happy that you put on their art here, their masterpieces here on this display. You can set it up like this, but you can also hang it on the wall. The material, it is really nice, and as you can see, it is displayed very well. And I'm sure that you will be super proud that your kid is drawing, and your kid will be super happy that you are a proud mama or daddy that is displaying their pieces of art here on these. You will be able to store some of the other masterpieces of your children right here in the back. You can just take turns of those. You can display one each day, each week, however you like, or as they come. Here in this part, there are some magnets that allows you to open these easily and change the drawing and put a different one whenever your kids makes another one or whenever you want to change it. It looks super amazing in our house.